Hiring the wrong business coach can be incredibly damaging to your brand's reputation and to your bottom line. That's why today I'm going to show you how to find the right business coach. Let's jump into it. G'day guys, Ron here from ronaldosborne.org, where I help business owners and entrepreneurs achieve their version of success. Today, I will show you tips and tricks on how to find the right business coach to hire. Now, the first step is before hiring a business coach, you need to ensure that you determine what you want to achieve with the coach. You need to think about the end goal. The coach is there to satisfy that need. So you need to ascertain what exactly it is. Are you hiring the coach to help scale your business? Are you hiring the coach to perhaps take it internationally? The reason that I say this is because you want to find a coach that operates and has experience in these areas. It helps narrow down the playing field. You're able to then look for the right and specific coach to facilitate the needs that you require them for. So once you've determined the objectives of what you would like to achieve with the coach, it's time to start the search. So let's do that. The first place you can begin your search for a business coach is online. I would start with Google. As an example, if you go onto Small Business Coach Fort Lauderdale and you enter that in, you will see that there is my business. It is very simple. Google is a great tool and it will normally refer business owners that is trusted. Results that end up way back on page 10, they're not usually trusted by Google. The next place you can start looking is on Noomii. Noomii is a brilliant coaching directory. It enables you to look for coaches specifically for the problems that you're trying to solve. Perhaps you're looking for a coach that's skilled in HR, that's skilled in leadership skills and development. That's where you can find a ton of different coaches. Utilize social media. Social media is a great place where you can look for coaches. However, like all things on social media, bear caution. Social media is a landmine of gurus and fake success. You want to work with a business coach that has achieved results, that they've had $1 million business, that they've had multiple $1 million businesses, that they've had business experience. Ask friends and family. That's a great place to start. Your friends may know a business owner that has utilized a business coach to help them grow their business. That's a great way of trying to find a coach. You'll have first-hand knowledge of how that coach was. Now, when you're looking for the right business coach, you need to ensure that you check their experience and you check their reviews. At least on a coach's website, they should have reviews and testimonials from other business owners or founders or whoever it is that they've worked with in the past. As an example, if you look on my website, you can see that I have links to the LinkedIn profiles of the individuals I've worked with and their websites. So that way it validates it. They can go on there and if they really want, they can ask the people, hey, how did you find working with this guy? Did he help your business? You can look for Google business profile reviews. You can look on Trustpilot. You can look on Yelp. You can look anywhere for reviews, but I would make sure that the coach has reviews, that they definitely have something to back up, that they've worked with people and they've helped their business. The next thing is you want to check that the coach has experience, an experience in business, an experience specifically in your target of success, in your business objectives. Now, why do I say that? It's because if you want to have $1 million business, you should work with a business coach that has made $1 million business. If you want to have a multiple $1 million business, work with a business coach that has achieved that. And the reason I say that you should work with a business coach that has achieved that is because every single level is different. I harp on this consistently because when I took my business from $150,000 a year, where it was me by myself, to then having a couple of employees to $500,000 a year, to then having 10 employees and pushing it to $1.5 million a year, and then going all the way to almost 30 employees and pushing in the multiples. It's very, very challenging and very, very different. Every single stage of growth had different challenges, and I made mistakes along the way. And I wasn't aware. And that's the thing. You want to work with a business coach that has had that experience. So you've searched, you've found the business coach, you've read their reviews, you've checked out the testimonials, and you can check out that they're a legitimate business owner and everything is above board. What you want to do is book a discovery call. Now, on this discovery call, do not speak with a receptionist. I have nothing against receptionists. It's just you're going to work with a business coach. You want to chat with the business coach. Discovery calls will normally be 10 to 30 minutes, depending upon how much time the coach has. minutes. I offer 15 minutes because that's all the time I can really spare. That's where you can chat with the coach. The coach can also chat with you and start to get an understanding of your picture. You'll be able to ask the important questions such as, hey, can you specifically help me with this problem? The coach should say yes or no. You get a feel for the coach, and if you're the right team together, everything fits well. It's very important to have a discovery call. If all goes well on the discovery call, the next stage is hiring the business coach. Now, depending upon what type of problem you're facing or what strategy you have, what you want to do for your business, the coach should offer you a couple of different means and different options, pricing options and so on. Perhaps you just have a problem that you want answered immediately. They might charge you a flat hourly rate. However, perhaps you want to work with them for scaling your business. So you want to grow from 3 employees to 10 employees. That's going to take 6 to 12 months to achieve. So the coach may offer a package where it's a 6 to 12 month program. And that is better for you. It's more cost effective. So the average price of a business coach is going to range anywhere from $70 an hour to around a couple of $100 an hour. You could expect to pay at least $100 to $200 an hour for a good, reputable coach. Now, if the price aligns, everything looks great, take the leap. Trust in yourself and that coach. Make sure that you do have a fail safe in case something goes wrong. Say, if you're not happy with this coaching program, you understand the cancellation policies with the coach. Perhaps you've signed up to a 6-month agreement. You may not be able to get out of that immediately. So ensure that you understand what you're signing up to when the contract is presented. Here are some red flags to look out for when you are considering hiring a business coach. The most obvious thing would be no reviews, no positive reviews, no website. A big thing, a big red flag is no website. Every reputable coach should have a website. Ensure that the business coach has business experience, not just coaching experience. It is vital that you work with a business coach that does have business experience. This will be your shortcut to success. You want to place your trust in someone that has been where you are now. That is very important. And the final red flag would be the coach isn't willing to work towards your version of success. Everyone is different. I've worked with people that have wanted to make hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars a year. I've worked with people that just want to pay the bills and go and relax on the beach. It depends. Everyone's different. They want to spend more time at home. They want to reduce their workload. They're happy taking a massive pay cut and hiring someone else in their business, putting them in their role so they can just work 6 hours a day from home. Everyone's different. Ensure that your business coach is working towards your goals, your version of success. If they say, no, I'll help you just grow your business, that might not be what you want. So I hope that I've answered the question, how to find the right business coach. If I have, make sure you hit that like button. Helps me out a ton, same as always. And if you have any questions, if you'd like to ask me anything about business, about looking for the right business coach, if you have any ideas about some future videos, hit me up down below. Happy to help out, and I hope you have a lovely day. Cheers.